Vickie Hall, a senior real estate specialist with RE/MAX Professionals here in the Denver metro area. And I've been in real estate for 27 years and worked with many seniors and their families and helping them transition from their current home to their new home. And one thing that has become very obvious to me is that real estate decisions and legal decisions go hand in hand. So because of that, I have a very special guest with us today. Her name is Nicole Andrzejewski. Did I do that right?
That was good.
Okay. A lawyer with Meurer and Potter Law Firm here in the Denver metro area. And her specialty is elder law. And that means that she deals with any of the legal issues with seniors. And a lot of those legal issues overlap with real estate issues. For instance, power of attorney, a trust, a will, probate, estate planning, capital gains. That's always an interesting thing for everyone. And basically ways to protect your assets that you've spent a whole lifetime accumulating. So I've had some seniors tell me that their children want to be added to the title to help with the transfer of the property upon their death. Mm-hmm. What recommendation or information can you give us about that?
Yeah, so there are a few considerations when adding someone to title. So when you add someone to your home title, you are essentially gifting a portion of your home to that individual. And there can be gift tax consequences to that as well, either while you're living or after you've passed away for your heirs.
Okay, interesting.
Mm-hmm. The other thing to take into account when adding someone to the title of the property is that they become a shared owner of the home, right? So if your purpose is for them to receive the home after death, that may work. However, they are currently an owner, and if they have any creditor issues, that could impact the home.
Okay, interesting. So, say for instance, a lien could be put on the senior's home because of something the child has done.
Exactly, right, because they are an owner even though they're not using the home.
How does that affect the stepped-up basis when the parent dies?
Yeah, so when you gift property, it's a carryover in basis. So meaning instead of the full step up in basis that somebody receives when they inherit a property, when they are gifted a property, they receive your basis. So going back to our earlier example, if the value of the home is $700,000, but your basis is only $225,000, the person receiving the gift takes the basis of $225,000 versus the fully stepped up basis of $700,000.
Wow. So what's the advantage of having a child on the title?
I
don't see any advantage.
Right. We do not recommend that people do that. It's better to leave the property to that individual through your will or trust.
Okay. So they think that it's going to bypass probate or something by doing that. Mm-hmm. And it may, but it has some pretty serious financial consequences.
Right. It can impact you during your life, which is the last thing we want to have occur.
Yeah, that makes sense. I would not have thought of that. So, Nicole, thank you so much for coming and sharing this vast amount of information with us. I think that it will probably help a lot of seniors from making any possible costly mistakes. And if they need to review their will or their trust or their power of attorney or create one, how would they contact you?
Yeah, so they can call our office and ask for me. Our phone number is 303-991-3544. And again, my name is Nicole Andrzejewski. I specialize in estate planning. That's our powers of attorney, wills, and trusts, as well as probate or estate administration and trust administration.
So thank you very much, Nicole. I'm Vickie Hall, Senior Real Estate Specialist with RE/MAX Professionals, and I can be reached at 303-944-1153. Thanks.